Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, I'm super excited because Boxycharm came in my house and knocked on my door, and I ran and I was super excited. I was super excited to show you guys what I got in my Boxycharm box. All the products that I use, I placed it in my face. So if you guys are ready to see what I did, then you have to stay tuned. But if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is a $25 prescription box that you get 5 to 6 full products. And it could be skincare, makeup, and hair products. If you guys are so into that, then this box will be good for you. And inside the box, it comes with a Boxycharm card, and it says candy shop. This is the candy shop for this month, and in the back of the card it has all the information and how much the prices cost. So since we got all that done, are you guys ready to see what I got inside my box? Then let's go.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So the first thing I got in my box, this concealer right here, and this is Dose of Color Meet Your Who concealer. The multitasking full coverage concealer has a lightweight, easy to blend formula. It conceals dark under eye circles and under skin imperfections. Never tried this concealer, so hopefully this concealer will cover those under eye circles that we do not like. So far they did a good match. Like, this is looking really good for my skin tone. I'm liking the concealer. I'm gonna set this real quick so we can begin with the eyeshadow. And that concealer did have a full coverage, and I am so impressed with that concealer. So we'll see how it goes throughout the day. So our next thing that we're going to do is going to be our eyes, and I was super excited to try this palette right here. And this is Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed Eyeshadow Palette. Super excited to try this. I'm super hungry, guys, let me tell you. And look how beautiful is the packaging. The eyeshadow right here, these are the colors. These are cool tone colors. So I'm excited to try this out for you guys. This color right here, and it's Forehead Kisses. And I'm going to place that all over my eyelid. I already primed my eyes off camera, so this is going to be a quick and nice and beautiful eye tutorial. So we're going to use that color, and we're going to place it all over our eyelids. This don't really have no color payoff. I don't see this color payoff on my eyelids. Let's try the other colors. I'm going to try this color right here, and this is Yawning. And I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to put it in my crease area. This is like a nice cute little purple color. This is really pretty. It's nice and smooth. It's super buttery. I'm liking that. I'm bringing it in because I'm gonna do a halo effect on the eyes. So I'm gonna use Messy Hair, this color right here, and I'm gonna place that. I'm gonna use this brush right here. This is the Morphe M506, and I'm gonna place that inside the crease just to darken that up. A fluffy clean brush, and I'm just going to just blend everything out on top. So I'm liking this Boo and a View, this color right here. I'm going to place that in my inner and outer corner. I'm going to use this brush right here. I'm going to use this flat fluffy brush. I'm just going to blend it out. This one is a little powdery and it's a little patchy. Like, you see that? Like, the color's like sweeping away. So powdery. I don't like the formula of this darker color. Like, you see that, guys? I'm gonna cut it to make it into a halo. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. Alright guys, so I did that, my halo a little bit. I have 3 colors that I want to use. Look how beautiful is this. I don't know if you guys can see it. There. Can you see that? But I'm thinking I'm going to take either pajamas or fresh face or cuddle cakes. But I'm thinking I'm going to take fresh cake. So I'm just going to place that right in the center of my eyes. And I'm using my finger, guys. In the middle of that, I'm going to just use this color, cuddle cake. I'm just going to place that in the middle too. Blend everything out. Finish up my face and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I already did my lashes and I also finished up my eyes and my whole face. So if you guys want to know what I put underneath my eyes, I basically did the same color, but I just added a little bit of French door right here and I put that in my inner corner, so I gave it a little pizzazz. But we're going to do our lip and then we are done. So alright, so this A Beauté, I think that's how you say it, is a Draw It lip liner, and it looks like this. Oh, if I can open it up. So cute. I'm excited to try this, and it comes with 2 of these right here. So this one is So Gorgeous and this one is Be Peachy. Really pretty color right there. So these are the 2 colors and this is how they look. Super creamy. I don't know if you can see that. Super buttery, super creamy. So I'm using the So Peachy. The Draw It lip liner are super pigmented liner that draws on smoothly and can be used to line the lips or fill them in completely. So the last thing that we got in the box is this thing right here, and it's the Brazilian Kiss Tint Lip Butter. And this is Soulmate. Look how beautiful is the packaging. Beautiful packaging, so pretty. And it's supposed to be a lip butter with a little bit of tint. That's how it looks. Soft and super conditioning for lips that transform dry, rough lips into your most kissable. The aroma of Dulce de Leche. This by far is my favorite product. It actually really does condition your lips, and it has that little tint of color. It's so beautiful on the lips. Alright guys, so this is it. Using everything inside my Boxycharm, I was pretty impressed with the stuff. The only thing I did not like was the Beauty Breakfast in Bed palette. For the price, $38, I think it's too expensive. I just didn't like the formula of the eyeshadow. It was too powdery, too, like, when I was blending it, it had like a little spotty all over the eyelid. I was not impressed, but everything else was amazing. So if you like me doing Boxycharm unboxing, then comment down below, because I will start doing this every month. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye bye.